Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nera, and in today's video, we'll discuss how you can automatically generate VBA code for Excel macros using ChatGPT. With this approach, you can easily handle complex situations in Excel. If you can't find a specific function, you can write custom code to accomplish your task. Once you run the code, the task you've entered will be completed. I'll demonstrate this with an example that you can adapt to your own needs. You can perform virtually any Excel task using this method. Let's go to ChatGPT and generate the VBA code in macros. After opening ChatGPT, I'll enter the prompt. For example, I'll request, create a VBA macro to delete blank rows. You can also write macro instead to specify that you want code to remove blank rows. I have an Excel file prepared for this demo, which includes some blank rows. I've added 2 blank rows to demonstrate how the code will delete them when run. This is demonstration data, but the technique works for larger datasets. I'll show you how to delete rows, and you can apply similar approaches for various Excel tasks. You just need to enter a prompt specifying exactly what you want to do, whether it's deleting, filling data, combining, merging, or applying formulas. You can generate VBA code for many advanced Excel operations using this method. I'll submit my prompt, and ChatGPT will generate the VBA code for me to use. This is an example to demonstrate the method's versatility. In my previous video, I discussed WordPress plugin development using AI. I'll continue sharing such practical examples, so please subscribe to the channel. ChatGPT has provided the complete code. I'll copy it, and it includes instructions on where to insert the code. If you don't see the developer option, go to File, click More, and then select the appropriate option. When you click Customize ribbon, check the box for the developer option in the sidebar and click OK. In the Developer tab, click Visual Basic, right-click on Microsoft Excel Objects, select Insert, click Module, and paste the code. Notice there are 2 empty rows in the spreadsheet. I'll run the code to delete the blank rows. As you can see, the blank rows have been deleted. I'll demonstrate this again by creating more blank rows. Now I've added 2 blank rows to the spreadsheet. I'll click the play button to run the macro, which will remove the blank rows. This example shows how you can use ChatGPT to generate VBA code for Excel tasks. I'll continue sharing more examples of what you can accomplish with AI tools. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.